Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is EJ Beauty, and if you are new here, welcome. I always say to stay subscribed to my channel. I make sure to give you guys some great content, and today I am back with another Temu haul. So I did my first two Temu hauls, and I know that you guys loved the hauls, and so I just decided that I was going to come back with another Temu haul. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I have made accessories hauls and clothing hauls in the past. I will be doing a Temu press-on nail haul today. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what I got. I've been getting very much into press-on nails lately, and I actually have press-ons right now. These are from Amazon. And yeah, I just decided that I'm about to put you guys onto some game, and I will show you guys what I got from Temu. They have everything on there. I will also put my discount code in my description box, as well as a link to make your first order if you are new on there. If you don't know about Temu, of course, Temu is a website that has everything you can literally imagine. From houseware, clothing, accessories. You can find kitchenware there, and as you can see today, I will be showing you guys some press-on nails. So you can also get nail gear there as well. For all my nail techs and all the girls out there that are trying to learn how to do their own nails, Temu is going to be your bestie, okay? They have all you need for starters. Let's get straight into this video. I'm going to start with the ring that I have on currently. I actually got this ring from Temu. I have this in silver as well, and I did show it in my previous video. You guys loved this ring, so I came back with it in gold. I got it with this order actually, and that was why I decided I was just gonna wear it for the video. But so the first thing I got are basically just nail accessories. I have this nail set right here that came with the file. It came with a little buffer, and it also came with like a brush. I will put the price to the items right here, but what I can tell you is none of these items were more than $3. But this is how it looks. It is a set of 5. I am very amazed by the quality. This literally is so sturdy, and of course, once I get a little bit more into my whole press-on style era, you know, I'll be able to become a little bit more versatile with my nails. But I just started wearing press-on nails recently. I've been watching a bunch of YouTube videos, and I am about to change my life and save a lot of money from going to the nail salon. And this is how the file looks. So it has like one really rough end, and then it has like a smoother end right here. It came with a white buffer. It also came with a black one. So the black one has like different color surfaces, and also I guess each surface is a little bit more rough than the other one. And then it has like a regular washable professional file, as you guys can see. So like I said, literally, if you are getting into nails and if you are just like a newbie like I am with nails, I would recommend going on Temu, checking out what they have, and also making sure that you're familiar with the items, and so that you don't just order a bunch of random nail tech gear that you don't know how to use. The next item that I have is literally just a cuticle cutter, as you can see. About to show you guys. Ooh, this is how it looks. So this is supposed to be like a cuticle cutter. I do know they of course have these items on Amazon as well, but it's just so much more affordable on Temu. And I know that you have to wait like 7 days for shipping, but it's honestly worth it. You save a lot, and I'm just about saving my coins. But this is how it looks. And I plan on using this also to do my pedicure, because I will be doing my manicure and my pedicure myself. So stay tuned. I'm going to start making videos on my beginner friendly journey. But this is how it looks, guys. Very sturdy, good quality. The price was actually really good too. And in the bag, I also have the Cuticle Pusher, as well as one item that I'm not really sure what is. but I got these two as well. So this is the Cuticle Pusher. As you can see, it looks like this. It has like a, you know, rough surface, and this is how it looks on the other end, and this is how the other one looks. I'm not really sure what this is for. If someone knows, just leave that in the comment down below. I'm still very new to doing nails, so this is a completely new field to me. So the next thing I got is this nail adhesive gel glue. I actually watched a couple of YouTube videos and I got the inspiration from, I think her name is Alexandra Dixon. Alexandra Dixon, she does nails, and I've literally been watching her videos and she's been raving about this really specific nail tip gel glue. So this is how it looks. I haven't actually had the chance to open it yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that for you guys in this video. This was a little bit hard to actually open. This is how it looks. I did make sure to look at the reviews before I bought these items, because I mean, just like Shein, it's really important to just look at reviews in general before you buy anything. And that is what I did with these items. But this is how it looks, guys. This is the nail glue that everyone is raving about. So this is your gel tip nail glue. I got some nail tips as well, so I plan to just use this glue with the nails. I also have my little UV lamp and all of that set up, so I'm looking very much forward to this journey. This is going to be new to me, and I'm really just excited about the entire process. So I guess we can go straight into the press on nails. I think I got a total of 10 in here. I'm gonna go ahead and show each of the nails to you guys in the video. All right, so this is the first one. The first one looks like this. So as you guys can see, the press-on nails actually come with instructions in the back. It has instructions on how to apply them. But like I said, YouTube is literally your best friend. So if you really want to learn how to make these look very natural, I would suggest looking up videos on how to apply them. But each box comes with 24 nails. It comes in different sizes, as you can see. This is supposed to be a chrome French nude nail look. This has just really been what I've been into lately, and I just feel like nails like this just look so classy, and it looks like you didn't put a lot of effort, and I'm here for that effortless baddie look. So this is something that I'm really looking forward to try on. I also made sure to get it in a length that I feel is reasonable. The ones I currently have on, I think these press-ons are a little bit longer than what I normally go for, but these are a perfect length, and as you can see, they are also squared. All right, so the next one I have is this one. And also something I should mention is that it actually comes with its own little file, and it comes with a little bit of, I think it comes with the glue inside as well, but those are things I'm not going to be using, of course. This is how it looks, guys. It actually is very cute. It has its own design, as you can see. It has like the little flowers and the little blue French tip. So I am just trying to prepare myself for the spring and for the summertime. And I think that these kind of nails are just so good to have because you can pop them on, pop them off whenever you need to, whenever you're going to an event. That's literally what I did with these. I literally just put them on for this video to show you guys, because I figured that talking about press-on nails, I needed to really have the press-on nails on myself to show you guys that this is no joke. The next nails I got are your regular Frenchies. So these are just regular French manicure tips. I tried to go for like a darker nude color because my nail beds are a little bit darker. So this was the darkest I could find. But these are the perfect length, guys. It's not too long and it's not too short. One thing about me and French tips is the length really is important because you want to keep it classy and cute. And I think that once they are too long, it takes away from that classy look that you're trying to achieve. So I just try to keep it at a very reasonable length, as you guys can see in this right here. I think I mentioned this in the start, but every single nail press-on nail box has 24 nails in them in total, and they all come in different sizes. But these are another set of Frenchies with like different design, the little chrome look, as you can see. These are a little bit shorter than the ones I showed you guys before, and I think that I am trying to do different things. I ordered in different sizes just to see how it actually looks, because they don't give you the nail measurements online. So this was really a gamble for me. It's a give or take kind of situation, but this is how they look. And these also come with the little nail files, and I feel like these would look really, really good on the nails, especially once you use the nail glue that I showed you guys before, and then go on with some top coat, gel top coat on top. I tend to do that with press-ons. I always go with top coat and cure it under the UV lamp, just to give it more of that natural look. When you have press-ons, it's easily visible that you have press-on sometimes. So you want to make sure that you actually try to make them look as natural as possible. This one is the black French tips, as you can see. I've been getting into this a lot more lately, actually. I was always against the black French tip. I just didn't feel like they looked that good on me. But this is how these look. And I think I'm actually going to, so I might have to change the color a little bit, like the base color, because this is not my nude. This is a little bit lighter than what I normally go for. I like a little bit of a darker nude. As you can see, these don't match, so that's not my nude. But definitely, I'm looking forward to try these nails. I wasn't sure what to expect, but like I said, it's all a gamble. Sometimes you need to just try different things before it all starts to really come together and work out. So I'm looking forward to try on these nails. And yeah, if you guys want to see me actually do a video trying on Temu press-on nails, let me know in the comment section down below. All right, the next nails are also some basic French tips. These are in the oval shape. I tried to see what it would look like to get a different shape, since I always stick with the square and the coffin, the ballerina nails pretty much. So this is supposed to be a little bit of a different look. But yeah, pretty much same thing like the other ones. It has the instructions in Chinese in the back. Well, this might not be Chinese, but made in China. So I'm assuming the instructions aren't Chinese. But yeah, so you can follow the instructions and use the glue. You can also just use the gel top glue that I showed you guys before. The next ones are another pair of Frenchies with some design on top. So one thing I wanted to say is that if you know about nail stamping, you can actually do this on your own if you have like the nail stamp. I do have that, and I plan on making a video about that very soon for you guys, to show you guys how to do your own nail stamping at home. It is literally so simple, so easy. So I will make sure to make a video for you guys to see that. But this is how the nails look. These, I guess, are not fully in place, but this is another set of oval nails. These are actually ombre, and that was why I got them. I am getting very much into the ombre, cute, feminine nail look, especially for the summertime. And I just personally believe whenever I have to do ombre, it needs to be something that has like a purple, lilac, or a pink. I just feel like those colors look really good when it's in the ombre form. It has the instructions in the back, as you guys can see. I don't know if this one comes with any material. I can't see anything in the box. But like I always say, get your own equipment on the side. Don't rely on what is in this box, because you might not even use it really. The next nail looks like this. Another pair of Frenchies with like a smaller white tip at the end. I wasn't sure what I was thinking when I got this, but I was actually just getting nails at some point just to show you guys. I wanted to have enough to make this video. So this was one of those nails that I just added to my cart just cause. And this is how it looks. All right, so I am down to one set of press-on nails. This is how it looks. It's another ombre. This one is a white, purplish pink ombre. I'd say for this is giving a lot more spring than it's giving summer, but regardless, it is cute. I can't wait to try this on. I think for this one, so I can already see that it comes with the glue and the file, but I think for this one, I won't have to really do a lot with this. I'm just gonna use the glue and then go in with the top coat on top, and this will literally look so freaking cute. So that brings me to the end of my video. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know that the Temu hauls tend to be a little bit longer because honestly, I always have so much in my box. But I loved this video, and honestly, I had so much fun making this video too because this is all new to me as well. I'm actually just getting into press-on nails. I have my press-ons right now from Amazon. I will put the links to all of these items in the description box. Let me know which nail set was your favorite, and if you guys want to see me do a video actually trying on these nails, let me know in the comment section down below. My Instagram will be right here if you want to follow me or go check me out. As always, I love each and every single one of you guys. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure to stay subscribed. Bye.